Hey, this is Cheryl from Alaska, and I just wanted to chat with you a few minutes. I made $400 today, and so you know that why that happened too is because we have the system, right? A system that has all the important features for you to make money online, and our system is high tech, which means in the days that we have right now, technology is incredible. You know what I'm saying? The technology has so exponentially grown since like 10 years ago, 5 years ago, whatever, and that it's incredible what it can do for you. And we have totally plugged into the technology that allows me to make this kind of money right out of the gate, and made $400 today. I'm very excited to share that with you because it is exciting for anyone, especially where we're living now, because of the way things are. I mean, we just got a mandate to not meet in small groups again. So everything's flipped back upside down in a way, with getting back to normal, sorta, and then it's changed, right? But there's one thing that hasn't changed for me, and that is that I still make money from wherever I'm at. So I'm very thankful for that. It's newbie friendly because it is a system that works for you. You do not have to put it together. We have got a 7-figure income earner that puts it together. Now tell me, when does that ever happen? Not only that, she is your mentor. She teaches you what to do, yet you make money because the system works. Every piece to the puzzle is there. It's the entire package. Honestly, it's incredible, and I had to share this with you today because it's always exciting to have a payday, right? And today is a payday. I'm very thankful for this system, for what it does for my income, and how it has changed my life. And I'm just, winners are people that do it now. They are people that there is no someday. You know how people say, well, someday. There is no someday with winners, okay? You take action. You go for it. I can do it. You believe in yourself, and you're able to accomplish it. Amen. Winners are not whiners. They're not complainers. They don't put things off. They do not accept defeat. They're not quitters. They are not. And this is very important to understand this, because that is why people succeed online, because of these reasons. And I'm excited to share this with you today because I enjoy winning, making money consistently, and being on my island where I'm at here, and then I also fly to another island. And having my own income is incredible, and blessed, so blessed. I feel so blessed. And I'm just like too blessed to be depressed, right? I mean, I am so thankful for what this new income stream is doing for my life. And, there's no room for blaming yourself or self-shame. You want to educate yourself, feel good about yourself, because when you do that, other people are attracted to that, and it helps everybody around you, really does. So winners do not. They are uplifting and rise above the challenge no matter what happens. It's very important. Setbacks are just setups for a comeback, right? I mean, it's incredible, and I'm just so thankful that I have this income stream, and I appreciate all my Facebook friends, and I just wanted to get on a few minutes and let you know what happened today. It's amazing. I'm just thankful, and I appreciate you guys getting on. Thanks for joining me. I know it's an odd time of day, but this is where it happened. So appreciate you getting on so much, and just wanted to give you an update on what's going on in my life and what's happening. And if you're getting on this and the live button isn't showing, then just put #replay. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Would love to know. Actually would. And where I'm at in Alaska, it's a cold, kind of drizzly day. So, of course, I'm inside enjoying the heat and feeling so blessed, so happy today. And I hope you guys are having a great day and a good week. And appreciate you watching. So, bye from Alaska.